Been a long year, pour the glass out to the ones that ain't here by choice. I hoist it all up, this ain't love, no rabbit's foot. I got this thing wrapped up, the girls for the rapper if they asked us. Master, no clue who it was, didn't see it coming. Behind you with the candlestick, bet you know my handle sick.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with y'all what I got from the grocery store today. Let's get right into it. This is in no particular order. I got these Unreal peanut gems. These taste just like peanut M&Ms. I used to be a peanut M&M girl. If you know, you know those things are just addicting. And yeah, this is just a healthy version, so when you want something sweet, you can snack on this versus regular peanut M&Ms, which have like high fructose corn syrup, dairy, which we don't do over here, all that crap. I got my favorite bread. This is the Simple Needs gluten-free vegan bread. I'm gluten-free. I don't eat gluten anymore. This bread is sometimes on sale at Whole Foods. Like, I think today it was like $5.29 for this. So when it's on sale, I try to make sure I get a loaf. I got a tomato. This is for, I'm gonna make some burgers and I want them to be like giving what it's supposed to give. So I'm gonna slice some tomato on that burger. These waffles, nothing to play with. These are made from yuca root, water, blueberries, tapioca flour, organic coconut oil, organic coconut sugar, organic coconut flour, sea salt, and natural blueberry flavor. These are obviously like a clean, healthy, vegan option to regular waffles. This is like my little pancake waffle substitute because y'all, making pancakes from scratch sometimes, like, I just don't have time for it. But when I tell you these are fire, y'all, these Olipop sodas, addicting. These taste so good. If you drink liquor and you're looking for like a mixer, I would recommend getting you some Olipops, because this is like a healthier mixer to the drinks that a lot of, you know, women, you know, when you want to have a little drink. I don't drink alcohol because I'm just not an alcohol person, but a lot of the extra calories be coming from the stuff that y'all mix y'all drinks with. So I would say get like a healthy mixer. Like if you get some cold pressed juices, this is like a natural tonic, stevia, and it's just a lot in here. There's even like herbs in here. So this is like something you can mix your alcohol with, and it'll be like a little bit on the healthier side. That way you're not putting a bunch of, you know, corn syrup and all that crazy stuff in your liquor. These Hillary veggie patties, it might not give the texture of like a breakfast sausage, but it definitely gives the taste of a breakfast sausage. I have some chickpeas here. If you know, you know, I make chickpea tuna like on the regular. I'll leave a recipe or I'll leave like a video here, but it's basically just a vegan substitute to regular tuna. I got a bell pepper because I'm gonna be making some peppered quote unquote steak with mushrooms. So I got some red bell pepper, and then I got some potatoes. I'm gonna make some potato fries with some veggie burgers this week. Y'all, these bags are constantly breaking. Like, double bag my shit. Double bag my shit. Like, it obviously can't hold what's in here. These salt and vinegar chips, I'm telling you, these, I have 2 things of blue oyster mushrooms. If you're vegan or if you know any vegans, blue oyster mushroom is a must when it comes to imitating meat. Like I told y'all, I'm making quote unquote peppered steak. So I'm really just gonna take some mushrooms and season it like a pepper steak, some bell peppers, and then I'm gonna do a side of stir-fried quinoa. Then I have some lettuce because I'm doing the burger. So I wanna put some fresh lettuce on my veggie burger. I'm really excited about this because foragers for a long time, they were putting gum in this milk. And y'all know I try to eat relatively clean, like, you know, no added chemicals and, you know, extra shit. Because you can make cashew milk at home with literally just cashews, water, vanilla. And you don't need any thickeners because cashews are already thick as hell. By the time you blend it, it's already a thick plant-based milk. So yeah, this milk used to have gums in it and they finally updated the recipe. And look, y'all, it is gum free. We are out here. I don't know if people was putting in a request or whatever the case is, but they took gums right out the recipe. So I was able to confidently buy this milk. And yeah, I'm excited that, you know, I have another clean milk option from Trader Joe's. I got some plantain chips. I don't eat these, but my boyfriend snacks on these. These are vegan, gluten-free pizza crust. Like, they're thin, they're crispy, they're perfect. I got some of this chili oil because, like I said, I'm making the pepper steak with the quinoa stir fry. So I like to put, you know, a little spice in there. These are so good. They're high in protein. They literally like just taste so much like a burger. Like, I freaking love these. Like I said, I'll be pairing those veggie burgers with some hand-cut fries and some lettuce, tomato, red onion, and also some vegan mayo. The spray oils are really good for like weight loss. If you want to watch your oil intake, just get the spray one. That way you're not ODing with the oil. I got some chopped pineapple. Middle of the night, like, I just be wanting something sweet. I just be wanting something juicy, and fruit is my go-to. So I like to have like some mango or like some apples or like pineapple. So I just grab this. White quinoa, this is my rice substitute. It's healthier for you and more weight loss friendly. This kale pesto is so good. You can make this with pasta, but I'm gonna put it on my pizza with some mushroom, onion, spinach, and that's usually how I make my pizza. I have some of these macro bars. I like to grab a few protein bars when I'm at the grocery store. This is the vegan cheese that I'm gonna be putting on that pizza. And then lastly, I have my ultimate favorite cookie in the entire world. These cookies are out of this world. They're gluten-free, they're vegan. They're made with like coconut sugar and dates, real oats. All right, y'all, that is it for my grocery haul. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
Through a window, a shame anxiety has claimed the victory, the lead role. I'm standing on my feet with a pocket full of deep notes, a spark and no defeat. They say the weak will keep your speech low, invading all belief, and I've been grieving through a window. A shame anxiety has claimed the victory, the lead role. I'm standing on my feet with a pocket full of deep notes, a spark and no defeat. They say the weak will keep your speech low, and lower if you let them, lower if you let them, lower if you let them. Say the weak will keep your speech low, lower if you let them, lower if you let them, lower if you let them. Say the weak will keep your speech low, invading all belief, and I've been grieving through